Okay, so here we have the Benro Aero 4 travel video tripod kit, and today I am going to unbox it. So as you can see, it comes already in its bag. Let's just now set it up. It's the metal DS4. So then we have the QR plate on the top, over a 15-degree angle. Got your separate monopod. Okay, let's just now set it up. First extend the legs. Okay, so as you can see from unpacking it and unboxing it, video head is attached to the tripod, but obviously it still needs setting up and the arm does need to be moved around. So to undo it, you turn this and okay, so once this is out, you can remove the screw and the handle will just come out. As you can see, it's held in place via the notch, and then you can reposition. You will see there are some grooves in here which correspond with the thread and the position either side, so you can position this handle either side. There we go, just for the sake of quickness, I'll leave it like that. Okay, so let's have a look at the video head. This side we have the pan lock handle, so this will not so much increase or decrease the friction of the pan, but will lock it off, and you probably have a little bit of play in increasing the friction. Pulling it towards you or in a clockwise tightens, or away in anti-clockwise releases the resistance. So if I unlock it, not fully locked, there's a little bit of friction. But obviously this isn't designed for a friction pan, it's just designed to lock it off. So then we have the tilt lock handle. This is friction based, controls the tilt. So obviously loosening it off releases plenty of friction. And as you can see, it's counterbalanced. So when you let go, it will spring back. But as you tighten it up, it locks it off and the friction returns. So then we have the QR plate on the top, or the quick release plate. So it comes with the 501 plate. On this side there is the quick release handle. To undo, releases the friction or the tension on the plate. Undoing it up, puts it back on. On the other side is the release. It's the friction control which will hold plate in place, release it. So the S4 has the added benefit feature of a safety. As you see, if this is loose and you have your camera on and you forget that the camera's on, if you move it, as you can see, it doesn't drop the camera. To release it, you've got your quick release button. Just push in and then pull the plate out. So it comes with the two threads. I think that's the quarter thread, and that will fit most cameras. There is here in the back a 3/4 thread, which can then also be used in the plate. And simply push out the rubber stopper, and then you can swap them around. Screw that one, unscrew that one. Then we have the pan handle. which can be adjusted in various ways from different sides to different angles just by releasing the. So you can change your height for where you're more comfortable or for storage, as well as the actual way the handle will sit in it. And this is obviously positional both sides. So then we have the leveling bubble, which is attached to the leveling head as well. Again, there is another knob on this side which you release, and you have the ability over a 15-degree angle to level the head. Bubble's fairly easy to see, and I can level it from quite a distance. Once it's leveled, just tighten up and it's quite secure again. You will need to make sure that the centre column is tight, otherwise there will still be some play in the video head. So obviously if you're on unlevel ground or on a slope, as well as using the legs for a quick adjustment of the level, you can also use the leveling head to get fine-tuned. This is the centre column locking grip. To unlock, screw anti-clockwise or to the right, and then to lock, screw clockwise or to the left, and that locks it off. Also, when it is unscrewed, you find there's a lot of play in the head, so you need to make sure that it is locked off every single time to stop and reduce that play. Okay, so moving down the tripod, this is a reversible centre column, which means you can take this out of the centre, turn it upside down, and then have the camera faced at the bottom. Unscrew, loosen, and retract. So once that's lined up, tighten it back up, reattach the weight hook, then you have the camera on it upside down. Just a quick look at the centre part of it. To start with, we have the leg angle adjustment locks. These just simply pull out. It might not be as easy at the moment because it's kind of set up, but you just pull them out, you adjust the angle, and then push back in. So they're metal and they feel quite solid and feel they're gonna last. As mentioned earlier, this is the foam grip on one leg, so it gives you something comfortable to hold on to. And then on each leg there are 3 flip lock levers, which you use to lock the legs into place. So at the bottom here we have the spring-loaded retractable weight hook, and this is obviously used for putting weights on, whether it be a camera bag or something heavy, just to help give the tripod a little bit more stability in some conditions. Okay, so to take out the reversible centre column, start off by unscrewing the bottom where the weight hook is. This comes out, and as you can see, the weight hook is held in by a spring and nut, so fairly secure. So put that safe. Loosen centre column and retract. Also, you might see there is a groove in the column which needs to line up inside the centre column. So once that's lined up, tighten it back up, reattach the weight hook, and then you have the ability to have the camera on it upside down, allowing you to get closer to floor level subjects. So to take off again, you just do the reverse. Unscrew the weight hook, ensure you secure the centre column and release, and then reattach. I'm trying to put it back in, but it's just about really angling it. Okay, so let's have a quick look at making the monopod. So to start with, release the centre column and then take off the retractable weight hook. So that's out, just put that to the side for a minute. Unscrew the leg with the foam grip on. Next, just grab the centre column and the video head, and then that should screw. Screw on like that. And there we have a monopod. Obviously still able to use the fluid head features. And to reassemble the tripod, just do everything in reverse order. Unscrew the leg and the centre column. Screw the leg back on, find the notch, tighten back up and refit the retractable weight hook. So as shown earlier with the instruction book, you also get an Allen key, and this Allen key is for any adjustments of the legs, just in terms of tightening or loosening how the leg will undo. So just simply to help and assist with the stability of the tripod, or if you want to loosen the leg or tighten the leg back up again, and also for taking it off if need be. Okay, so now let's collapse and put away the tripod. First thing, and then you can either just fold it up as it is with the head on, but I don't believe this will fit in the bag that way. So let's just see if it does fit. No. So you do need to 180 the legs to store the tripod back away. So to fold up and pack away, you need to extend the head back open and fold each leg back up and fit it back in the bag.